You open it up. Thank you for your purchase. Unscrew the antenna. Clean off any residual thread compound. There you go. Pretty much what I'm going to show you how to do. You know, you get your different threads, your antenna, and then a collar if you do need it. I won't be using it on this truck either, so let's put it on. Like I said on the first part of the video, swapping out the antenna, the one I had on the other truck. So pretty simple, just grab this, spin it on. For some reason yours is a little tighter. Grab pliers. But on both my trucks, it's pretty much hand tight. You grab your bullet antenna, and they've got interchangeable pieces depending on the size of your threads. So what I do is just match it up like this. This helps me determine, okay, that's the same one, about the same size. If not, you can do some research on Google. Google knows everything. You put that in, snug it a little bit, put it on there, screw it on. I just do it hand snug, over tighten, don't put any pliers on it so you don't mess your finish up. You're ready to go.